What if 9 free AI tools could do the work of an entire business team for you? Not someday, right now. In 2026, that is not a theory. That is the reality for solo operators who know which tools to use and how to connect them. I am going to walk you through all 9 today. By the end, you will have a complete picture of what I call the 9-layer stack. This is the exact setup that lets one person with no money and no team compete with companies that have full staffs and massive budgets. Stick with me, because this one is going to change how you think about building a business. Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Paul James. I create content here that shows freelancers, consultants, and small business owners how to use free AI tools to build real income. No expensive software, no overpriced platforms, just strategy and the right tools. If you are new here, welcome. You are going to want to subscribe before this video is over. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem most people run into when they try to build something on their own. They pick one AI tool, play around with it for a few days, and then wonder why nothing is happening. They treat these tools like toys instead of infrastructure, and that is where everything falls apart. A real business has layers. You need something to think with, something to build with, something to create content with, something to automate the repetitive work. When I was starting out, I did not have the money to hire people for any of those layers. What I did have was time and the willingness to figure it out. These 9 tools are what I wish existed back then. This is where the 9-layer stack comes in. Each tool in this list handles a specific layer of your business operation. Layer 1 handles your thinking, Layer 2 handles your building, Layer 3 handles your speed, and so on. When you run all 9 together, you have an operating system for a real business. No team required. Let me take you through each one. Layer 1 is your AI thinking partner. You have a few solid choices here, and each one has a different strength. ChatGPT from OpenAI is your general purpose powerhouse. Great user experience and incredibly versatile. Gemini from Google is your multimodal specialist. You can drop in video links, images, and documents, and it will analyze all of it. Claude from Anthropic is the one you want for deep thinking and anything involving code. It consistently outperforms the others on complex reasoning tasks. Llama from Meta is built for speed. It is not the deepest thinker, but when you need a fast response, it delivers. And Grok gives you answers the other tools sometimes avoid. The point is not to pick just one. Use each one for what it does best. Here is where things get wild. Layer 2 is where you actually build your product. Lovable is a no-code app builder that can take a plain English description and turn it into a working piece of software. Zero technical experience required. You describe what you want to build, give it enough context to work with, and it starts generating. You will have to refine it and iterate. But the capability to go from idea to working app in a single afternoon is something that would have cost thousands of dollars to outsource just a few years ago. Prompting matters here. Treat it like briefing a contractor. The more context you give, the better the result. Most people never realize this part. Layer 3 is about speed. Most people type around 50 to 60 words per minute, but when you speak, you are moving at close to 250 words per minute. That gap is where Whisper comes in. Whisper is a voice-to-text tool that does not just transcribe your words. It cleans up filler sounds, formats the output, and structures your sentences automatically. You can dictate your entire workflow into any AI tool instead of typing it. The time savings compound fast. Layer 4 is visual identity. Before you send anything to a designer, use Gemini's image generation, specifically the Nano Banana tool inside Gemini. You can generate logo concepts, brand visuals, product mockups, and marketing imagery directly inside the platform. This is not about replacing a designer. This is about showing up to that conversation with a clear visual direction already figured out. You save time, you save money, and your designer has something real to refine instead of starting from scratch. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. The idea that you had to master each one perfectly before moving forward felt paralyzing. You do not. You just need to know what each layer does and keep moving. Layer 5 is content multiplication. HeyGen and ElevenLabs work together as a cloning system for your presence. HeyGen handles your visual avatar. ElevenLabs handles your voice. You record a short training clip, feed it into HeyGen, and you have a digital version of yourself that can deliver scripted content without you sitting in front of a camera. You write the script, the clone delivers it. This is how a one-person operation puts out consistent content at scale. Ads, tutorials, social clips, all without needing to be on camera every single time. Here is where everything clicks. Layer 6 is automation. N8N is an open source orchestration tool that connects all of these tools together into automated workflows. You could build a system that monitors your content calendar, pulls new topics, generates a script draft, creates an avatar video, and schedules it to post to your social platforms, all without touching a single button after the initial setup. N8N is free to use if you self-host, or you can pay a small fee to have them handle the hosting. Either way, the leverage it creates is enormous. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Layer 7 is client communication. Granola is a meeting transcription tool that runs locally on your machine. It does not send a bot into your calls. It does not hand your data to a server somewhere. It captures everything said in a meeting and organizes the notes automatically. When you are managing multiple clients as a freelancer or consultant, this is not optional. You need accurate records, and you need them without spending half your time writing summaries after every call. Layer 8 connects back to your thinking partner. NotebookLM from Google lets you upload your own documents, notes, strategies, and assets into a dedicated workspace. Your AI then knows your business. Instead of re-explaining who you are and what you do every time you open a new chat window, everything is already loaded. You walk in and ask the question you actually need answered that day. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Here is how a real person puts this stack to work. Imagine someone who wants to offer AI-powered content services to local businesses. She starts by using ChatGPT to research the biggest pain points her target clients are facing. She builds a simple intake form using Lovable. She uses Whisper to dictate her outreach scripts instead of typing them out. She generates sample brand visuals using Nano Banana to include in her pitch decks. She builds a HeyGen avatar to deliver her explainer videos. She automates her follow-up and social scheduling through N8N. She uses Granola in every client discovery call. And she keeps her entire knowledge base inside NotebookLM, so every answer she gives is consistent. That is 9 layers. One person, a real service business operating at a level that most small agencies cannot match. Imagine what the next 30 days look like once this stack becomes your normal workflow. You are not scrambling to keep up with client work and content and outreach at the same time. Each layer of your business is handled. That is the compounding effect of the 9-layer stack working together. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. I will see you in the next one.